Good morning, children. Children, in our last class, we have done this grid. I'll explain it to you again so that you understand it better. Now, here it says that you have to circle the common nouns. Now, the common nouns are the names given commonly to all the people. Okay, like suppose if there's one girl, but all the girls will be called as girls only. Okay, like dog. Every dog is a dog. But then if I have a pet dog, I will not call it as a dog. I will call it by its own name. Isn't it? So that becomes proper nouns. Special names are proper nouns. Now here, okay children, so here it says that we have to circle the common nouns and look left to right. Left to right means what? First I will be looking this way, okay, then I will be looking top to bottom this way. Okay, now here if I see the first row, children, it is B, then it is T, then E, A, C, H, E, R, X and F. But if I exclude few letters from here, I will be able to get a common noun, that is the word teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Okay. Now when I say teacher, then in the next one we have REBX. So there is no word in the next one. Okay, we can go to the third one now. You check the third one. It is INIEERA. That is also not making any sense. Then we have the fourth row. Okay, NTYISTE and T and M then. So here if I don't take 10 N, I can circle TYPIST, typist. Okay, then the fifth row doesn't have anything because there are no words that are formed over there. Then the same way, sixth, if you check the sixth row, it is AKR. Okay, AKR doesn't make any sense, but we have LUGGAGE, so that makes sense, and it is luggage. LUGGAGE is luggage. Luggage is the big bags and the suitcases that you carry when you go out of station. Then in the next one we have LDOORMAT. So MAT and LA. So if we don't take the first and the last two letters, then we can make doormat. I'm so sorry. Doormat will come here till here. Okay. Doormat. Okay. Then we go to the next eighth one. That is it, isn't it? The eighth one says this is the eighth one. Okay, now here it is ANWTRAC, so no word is being made, no sensible word is made over there. Then we can see NAIL. Yes, you have it in your body, isn't it? That is a nail, and nail is also called, is another tool which is used by carpenters. Okay children, so that is also nail. NAIL is nail. Okay, then here we have DHSHOULD. Then there's nothing. Okay, then we don't have anything. Now we go to the next one. We come from top to bottom. Okay, now here when we come from top to bottom like this, we have to check it like this. Okay, we have to check it like this, whether we can get any whether we can get any word with this or not. So now we have over here brinjal. Okay, BRINJAL, brinjal. Okay, so then the next one, TEN, 10. We have 10 over here, TEN, 10. Okay, then FKD, there's no word made out of it. Then also, yes, CROW is crow. Okay, then after that, yes, axe we have. There is axe, AXE, axe. Then PILOT, pilot. Okay, then in the next one there is no word, you cannot see anything over there, no. Okay, then we go to the next one, HORSE, horse. Yes, we have got horse, so we will circle horse, HORSE, horse. Okay, then after that GMA, no word. Then after that ESTA, no, it doesn't make any word. Okay, so then we go ahead with the last few ones. What we have to do is from top to bottom you have to check, ROSE, rose. Okay, then if you see, this is OAT, is oat. Okay, then we have VET, vet. Vet is a doctor, animal doctor. Okay, then here we have FAR, far. If you see this word, it is far. FAR, far. Okay, then there is no other word. Okay, children, now we go to the next page, that next question, that is, look at the picture and write down as many common nouns as you can spot. So this was also explained. You can write calendar, then you can write map, toy, helicopter, book, pencil stand, tree, gardener. Okay, bird, everything you can write, spider. There are so many other things that you can write. Fine. Then after that we come to the next page, which we were doing. Yes, this one, we started with this one, isn't it? So we were doing this, underline the common nouns and circle the proper, underline the proper nouns and circle the common nouns. Okay, now here we have Sophia is proper noun, so underline it, and friend is common noun. Chennai is proper noun and city is common noun. The river Ganga is in India, so river is common noun. So common will be circled and proper will be underlined. The special names will be underlined. Okay, my school, every school is called as school, isn't it? So we will circle school and underline MG road. Why? Because MG, it's a name of a special road, isn't it? My aunt lives in Canada. Aunt, there's no name. Aunt, your aunt is also called as aunt, my aunt is also called as aunt, so we will circle it and Canada will be underlined. I love Dove chocolates, so Dove is the name, that means we will underline it. Okay, and chocolates will be circled. Okay, my sister studies in modern public school, so sister will be circled and modern public school is the name, so it will be underlined. Okay, so now let us see if we have more. Yes, we have few more. Now the Nehru, my brother is common, so what are we going to do? Brother is common, so we are going to circle it. Andrew is a name, and doctor, every doctor is called as a doctor, so we will circle it. Okay, Nehru Park, now Nehru Park is the name, so underline it. And New Delhi is also, New Delhi is the name of a city or of a place. Okay, so you will underline it because they are proper nouns, they are special names. My uncle is common, everybody's uncle is called as uncle only. My uncle gave me a Crown bicycle on my birthday, so Crown is the name, so we will underline it, and bicycle is common. Okay, then we have next one over here, which says for each common noun left given in the left column, write in the right column 3 proper nouns which fall in that category. One has been done. Okay, now what is it saying is, there are many which I am not going to do. You have to do many of them on your own. Okay, now here it is saying boys. This is common noun, isn't it? So for boys you have to write 3 special names. Now for girls I can write Ria. Now remember that all proper nouns will begin with capital letters only. Okay, then Sia, and then Renu. Okay, it will be Renu. Okay, fine. Then after, like this, you can do other things on your own. Like schools, you can write Bhavans, then you can write Center Point, then you can write DPS. There are so many schools, isn't it? Then after that, what is this saying? Look at these pictures once, cover them and do the exercises which follows. Now here, okay. Now work in pairs. Recall the names of the people, places and animals and things that you saw without looking at the pictures again, and write them in the correct columns. Now here, first what you have to do is, here you have to see these pictures properly. Okay, now suppose if I say he's a gardener or he's a pilot. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to write the pilot's name over here in names of people. Okay, here I'll write pilot. Okay, then animals, I saw a peacock. So without going back, I'm going to write peacock over here. Then places, so I saw a lake or a swimming pool also you can say. Okay, name of a thing, I saw a bottle. Like this is a memory game which you first observe your pictures properly and you do it correctly. Okay children, this again is to be done by you. Then let us go to the next one. Now children, we cannot work in pairs because it's not possible. The 10 names, name the 10 characters from children's stories. Okay, the names of the 10 characters from children's stories are hidden in the word grid. Okay, you have to find them. Now Hansel is already circled over here. Okay, the next ones we have to do. Now if you check the second row, again I tell you that you check, go sleeping way. Okay, go sleeping way, fine. So here you have Snow White, fine. Then you have Goldilocks over here. Immediately what I can see over here is Goldilocks. Okay, then there may be more. Okay, there are around 10, so we have to search them. Maybe they are now see here the clues are also given. Okay, the brother and sister who were lost in the woods, they were Hansel and Gretel. The princess who ate a poisoned apple. Okay children, so here we have already done 4. You can check out other characters also on your own, fine. So that is all in the video. You can complete your work children. It will take time, but do it neatly. And all those who do not have fun with grammars, kindly arrange for it, because you will have lot of things from here in the exams also. So we need to study from here. Okay children, thank you so much. God bless you. Bye bye.